So you want to make more money but you don't have time to take on another job. There's a solution, it's called passive income, and we have 5 great ideas on how you can get started on growing your fortune in 2020. What is passive income? Passive income is money you can earn on a recurring basis from doing little to no work. Unlike active income, where the more you work, the more you earn, passive income has an initial level of work or money up front, then has a flat return after that without the same level of work going into it. To use a dated reference, think about owning a rental property. You buy the property and fix it up to be rented out. That's your initial investment in both time and money. After that, assuming there's a renter, it's passive income that you collect each month. Well, it's 2020 now, so times have changed. Here are some great ideas for earning passive income this year. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is nearly as old as the internet itself. When you are an affiliate, you get a commission on every sale of a product or service that you recommend. There's no need to create and sell anything yourself, all you have to do is sign up, get a unique tracking link, and insert it in your blog posts or YouTube videos. If you're willing to put some extra time into it, the payoffs can be impressive. Solopreneur, Michelle Schroeder-Gardner of Making Sense of Sense reported that her blog produces affiliate income of $50,000 per month. Others report returns that are a lot more modest but still regular. Many companies that do business online offer an affiliate program, and each one has different payment terms. Below are some of the more popular opportunities. Amazon Associates, who doesn't love Amazon? It's a massive online marketplace that delivers everything from socks and candy to MacBook Pros and Alexa home systems within a day. You can earn up to 10% on any qualifying sale through your link. YouTube Partner Program. If you already have a YouTube channel, you can monetize it if you have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. YouTube takes in an average of $7.60 per 1,000 ad views and shares 55% of this revenue with video creators, which amounts to roughly $4.18 for every 1,000 views. It's not a lot, but once a video is monetized, it can keep earning for you. ClickBank. Unlike traditional affiliate networks, ClickBank is a marketplace for both digital product sellers and affiliates. When you sign up, you get a unique affiliate link for the products you want to advertise. Place it on your blog or website, and when people click through to the vendor's site and buy, you receive a commission. Most products pay a commission of 70% and up, so if you sell a $100 product, you will get $70. Warren Wheeler of AM Ninjas wrote a case study about one marketer who earned $300 a day. Number 2. Drop shipping. With drop shipping, you can start a business with little to no money. After opening an online store, you work with a supplier to deliver products to buyers. You don't stock anything yourself, instead, you transfer order and shipment information to a wholesaler, manufacturer, or other retailer, and they send the goods. You only pay when the customer does, so you're never on the hook financially. One of the biggest appeals of drop shipping, other than the non-existent startup cost, is that it's easy to scale your business based on demand. When the holidays roll around, scaling up to meet higher sales volumes is easy. Profit margins depend on what you're selling. More expensive items could earn you 5 to 10% per sale, while lower ticket purchases can yield a 100% margin. On average, gross margins appear to be 10% to 15%. The easiest way to start a drop shipping business is sign up for a Shopify account and add the Oberlo app, which is Shopify's integrated drop shipping supplier network. You use it to find popular products to sell, add them to your Shopify store, and fulfill all orders. I recommend creating an Instagram page that relates to the products you'll be selling. Creating a big audience on Instagram can be very valuable for you when starting a business. Having a big audience means you don't need to pay for advertisements, which can make a huge difference in your profit margins. If you want to know how to get a huge audience on Instagram, stay tuned for future uploads on our channel. Number 3. Selling stock photos. If you're a professional photographer or just really good with a camera, you can upload a portfolio to a stock photography website and make money every time someone downloads any of your images. Commission rates and payment structures will vary from one website to the next, but popular platforms that are worth investigating include Shutterstock. Every time one of your images is downloaded, Shutterstock will initially pay 25 cents. When sales reach the $500 mark, payment is raised to 33 cents. Once you reach lifetime earnings of $10,000, you earn 38 cents per download. Fotolia. Fotolia, which was recently purchased by Adobe Stock, has two pricing models. You earn a commission of 20% to 63% on photos sold to customers using a pay-as-you-go plan, while commission on sales to subscription customers is 33%. iStock. iStock has different commission rates depending on whether your photos appear anywhere else. Exclusive images start at 25% per download, while non-exclusive ones are capped at 15%. Number 4. Sell an ebook. If you have a great idea and the ability to write about it, you can earn passive income by selling ebooks. Amazon CreateSpace is the most popular self-publishing platform because it's so easy to use. There are templates for both print and digital books, so you're not as likely to make formatting mistakes, and if you're not artistically inclined, you can use one of the many modifiable cover templates. Ebook publishing is one of those income sources that generate revenue long after your book appears in the Amazon marketplace. You can set your own price, which Amazon will augment to recoup any costs. It charges 15 cents per megabyte of your ebook size if you're selling it for anywhere between $2.99 and $9.99, and delivery fees will vary from one country to the next. Books priced below or above this range don't incur a delivery fee. Number 5. YouTube Partner Program. There are a number of ways that you can monetize YouTube. Many involve a lot of upfront work, i.e. content creation, monetized with ad revenue. However, while this is not the most lucrative way to make money on YouTube, it is a legitimate way to produce passive income. The first revenue stream you'll likely explore is ads. Whether you want to earn money on YouTube without creating videos or as a content creator, joining the YouTube Partners program and setting up monetization is a vital step. If you want to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you can only start the application process when you reach a threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours over the last 12 months. How many views do you need to make money? The number of views you receive doesn't correlate directly with revenue earned. If your video gets thousands of views but no one watches or clicks the ad, you won't make any money. This is because of YouTube's criteria for billing advertisers. A viewer must click an ad or watch the ad in full 10, 15, or 30 seconds for you to get paid. Passive income requires some action. While passive income can be an excellent supplement to your current source of income, it is important to remember that no opportunities are 100% passive from the get-go. If you're not investing some money in the beginning, you're using sweat equity, and some income sources require you to use both. Once you get past these setup challenges, however, your efforts have an excellent chance of being rewarded with passive income and, by extension, peace of mind. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to personal finance.